What's up, guys? How you doing today? Welcome to another episode of Jdtco. And we're doing something a little different today. We're going to do a little spring cleaning episode. I don't think we ever did one of them before, right?
I don't think so.
Guys, we live in New Jersey. In New Jersey, during this time of the year, you clean up your backyard, you set up your lawn, your outdoor furniture, you clean your car out, you straighten your garage out, or you go through your store and find stuff that you have that you need to, you didn't even know you had a lot of times. We found some stuff that we didn't even know we had. And we're going to do a quick spring clearance special for you guys. And guys, go on our app or our website. There's a clearance section at all times. Nick, how many things are in the clearance section?
Definitely a couple hundred.
There's a lot.
Yeah.
There's a lot. I was trying to count and I gave up. I hit 100. I gave up. There's a lot of cool stuff there. Check it out. Like, this is one deal. We're going to do a deal 2 for Tuesday on these. But this is an auto driver screwdriver, ratcheting screwdriver. And it's a 48-piece bit set in here. Okay? And how much is this?
$32.95.
$32.95 for two. For two. That's insane. Any other ratcheting screwdriver set you buy is going to cost you a lot of money. And here, we're going to give you two. Give one to your wife, give one to your girlfriend, give one to your kid. Your son, your daughter. They probably live out on their own anyway, and you can like, hey, you know what? Okay? This is a no-brainer. So buy it while we got them. And there's not a lot of these left. And when we bought them, we bought a lot of them. Right?
We did some giveaways with them.
We did. We bought them for a giveaway, actually. And we still have, I don't know, 30, 40, 50, not 100. And some deals, we just happen to find some good deals and we pass them along to you guys. Like this deal. Lang 48-piece rethreader set. If the box was red, it'd be a couple $100.
Some guy said it would be $350 on the Mako truck.
Or $350 on the Mako truck. I believe the guy, you.
Yeah.
I've read it on the internet. It must be true. This is made in USA. They make these for everybody. We found a deal on them. They're $109 free shipping to your door. It's an insane deal. And if you have this, I promise you, it's going to save your bacon one day. I have a set. Metric and standard. And it's got a thread file. The thread file is a fantastic addition to any toolbox. Because when you need it, you'll need it. Right? Right?
Why not?
Why not? Okay. Okay, this is the CTA disconnect sets for fuel lines, AC lines, any kind of line that you need to disconnect. It'll probably be in here. And we got a crackhead deal on these, $35, complete set. That's a deal.
That's a deal.
That's a deal.
I think we should lower it, but...
You want to lower it?
Yeah,
you want to lower it? Lower it for the guys. I don't care. How much you lower it to?
I don't know.
$29.95?
Yeah, I think so.
Nick wants to lower the price. We're going to lower the price. Because at the end of the day, I work for Nick. He's the boss.
I'm tired of looking at him. All this stuff I'm tired of looking at.
Yeah.
Maybe some of it.
Listen, we've made a lot of headway in the back.
Yeah.
Because it was kind of packed, and I was like, we got to get... Because at the end of the day, we need room to bring more stuff in. We can't bring more stuff in if we're out of room. We have some big stuff coming up, and we need... I mean, our devil finger should be here any day.
Yes.
And that's going to take up a lot of room. I mean, I'm curious of how many pallets it's going to be. I'm hoping for like, maybe one pallet, but it's probably going to be 4 pallets. Let me tell you something. The best thing I did when we moved into this location 5 years ago is, what's the first thing I bought, Nick?
Forklift.
Forklift. Is that the best thing?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh my God, it makes life so much easier. Truck comes, done. It's the best thing I ever bought. Okay, I did a TikTok video on it. I ordered, I think, 25 of the Astro, what's the part number, Nick?
78319.
78319, it's the nano sockets. And the warehouse, I'm not going to say who it is, I'm not throwing them under the bus, because at this point, all these tool warehouses that we deal with are fulfillment centers. That's it. And they sent me, right hand of God, a case of screen door handles. Okay? A case of them. The Astro box with the screen door handles in it. We don't know how that happened. Well, neither do I. But here we are with screen door handles.
I think some guy probably...
They're on Amazon.
...had to do returns.
They're on Amazon.
I think some guy did returns and probably just put those in the box.
Listen, at the end of the day, how do the screen door handles get into the warehouse, the tool warehouse? That's my gripe, because they're all using Amazon fulfillment centers. You could say no, 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 but I mean, I got a case of screen door handles. Could you imagine? What am I gonna do with them? I can't even give them away. Okay, back to tools. All right. We bought a ton of these. And this is a battery terminal cleaner. This is the old school one. This is the one your grandfather used. Not the plastic one with the brush that's gonna wear out. This thing will last forever. Did you ever use one of these?
I don't think so.
Nice. How much is this?
$12.95.
$12.95 for the world's best battery terminal post cleaner.
What's the round one for? Is that just a handle?
This, the knob?
Yeah.
Just to spin it. So you can. Let's test Nick. What's this for?
I'd say to clean the terminal posts.
What's this for?
I don't know what that one would be for.
The cable.
To clean. Oh, okay, that makes sense.
The cable. See, listen, I'm not perfect. Well, hang on, I'm pretty close. But Nick doesn't know everything. Nick knows a lot of tools. Nick knows every part number in the world. I don't know any of them.
Yeah.
Not one. Okay, let's keep moving. Vim. These are SAE. These are Flex Crowfoot wrenches. Yeah, Crowfoot box wrench set. 5/16 to 7/8. 3/8 drive. These are nice. They make something similar to this again, but they ratchet.
Oh yeah.
But we have a crackhead deal on these. How much are these?
55.
$55. It's nice. That's a good deal.
We only have a handful left too.
We only have a hand. We had a lot of these too at one time. We only had a handful. We only have a handful left. So jump on here and grab one. Gear wrench, 43 piece ratchet and bit driver set. Fun fact: somebody gave me cease and desist over this.
Over that?
Well,
yeah.
They changed the design of the ratchet. Remember that?
Yeah.
It's nice when a bully gets kicked in the nuts sometimes. Did I say that? I like fair play. How much is this?
I think $74.95.
$74.95. That's a deal. This is the hood prop rod, and I think we have a 2-pack of these for $50. Is that still good?
I think it's for the bigger ones. We
Is it
have
for the bigger
those
one?
with the magnet.
You know, I try to go into the box and see that. Do you have a bigger one here? Hang on. Sorry, guys. This is the magic of live TV. Oh, there you are. All right, throw me that. Okay. So, guys, I edited it all up, Nick. Check it out. We're doing an Easy Red hood and tailgate rod, prop rod, and it's $50 for 2-pack. That's a good 2 for Tuesday too.
Yeah.
I don't think we have many of these left though. We
We have more of the
smaller ones.
the skinny ones.
The skinny one. We did a video with the magnet too. It's in the clearance section. Check it out. Guys, get out. Did you download the app yet? Did you download the app? Download the app. Okay. And listen, I don't know if you turn the news on at all, but the world is changing. Nick, do you know that?
Yeah, I mean, I think it's a lot of it's just
Smoke and mirrors,
Yeah, fabricated,
posturing.
fake panic.
Yeah. But like, you know, hey, at the end of the day, and this is before the curve, we brought in a bunch of these locking pliers from Germany, which is not currently being tariffed like the 148% of China. Let me tell you something. Fun fact, I deal with a lot of Chinese companies, and they're real quiet lately. Usually I wake up every morning to like 10, 12 emails. Now, that's okay. Europe's open, kid. So listen, these are called the Gripzange. Gripzange? How do you say it?
Gripzange?
We don't know how to say it because I'm sure I know there's a proper way of saying it in Germany, but you're not going to hear the proper way out of me. So you just call them a Gripzange. A little Italian. And we did a deal with these. Any 2 you buy, you get a 3rd one free. And I think we're going to restructure that price. But while we still have the inventory that we have, go on our website, buy 2. We'll send you a 3rd one for free, no charge. And these are, listen, back in the day when you bought a pair of vice grips that were made in America, there was nothing better. They outsourced. This is where all this tariff bullshit came from. All these companies padded their pocketbooks and did all their stuff in China. So they moved this beautiful factory that they had in Nebraska, and they moved it to China. And you know what suffered? the quality suffers. Current vice grips made are absolute garbage, trash. These are better than anything you'll find out there. Besides, if you can find somebody still selling Malco, we still have Malco that are made in USA. That's the world's best. But like, I don't know, man. These are pretty close. I mean, they're really good. And the price, a set of Malco vice grips costs you $54 at this point.
Yeah, 50 or 55.
These are like $34. And if you buy an E2, you get a third one free. So I mean, you know, you want to worry about, you want to talk price? We got a good price on these. And again, this will blow out of the water any Irwin set or Milwaukee set made. I promise you. Everybody wants made in America, made in Europe, until they have to pay a nickel more. Right?
Yeah.
It's crazy. Okay. If you go in our clearance section, you'll see a lot of OEM tools. We bought a bunch of OEM tools out, and there's a bunch of stuff that we still have. Nick didn't bring it all out because, I mean, like, you know, we're running out of time already. But if you go in our clearance section, there's a lot of OEM stuff, and it's all green, and there's some good deals, man. Check it out. Okay. I bought these years ago, Steelman, and just some random sockets, but again, they're all, no, you should have put it in a 33 millimeter.
There was a 33.
No, the lug one, it was the same thing. Anyway, 1 inch to 3/4 adapter. How much? You know what these are?
I don't. They're all under $30.
Yeah, it's crazy cheap. I mean, you can compare. I mean, the quality. First of all, they make these tools for everybody. Steelman is one of the biggest suppliers of tools to any tool truck, whether it's Snap-on, Maco, Cornwell. I promise you, if you went to the warehouse, there's a whole aisle that says Cornwell. There's a whole aisle that says Maco. There's a whole aisle that says Mac, and one that says Snap-on. Nick, did you ever see it?
Maybe.
Yeah, they got a beautiful warehouse out there. Las Vegas, Nevada. Guys, clearance section, check it out. The prices are insane. Okay, I'm going to wrap this up real quick, but really? You got a bunch of these?
Like 3 or 4.
Okay. We don't have many of these left. This is the Milwaukee hex driver drill bits. So if you have a hex driver, smack them in there, drill a hole. Save you time with switching tools. Just switch the bit instead. $50, 19 piece, huh?
45 now.
$45. That's a deal. It comes in this nice little case, and it's titanium. And last but not least, we just found a bunch of these Worth closeout bit sets, and we're gonna be bringing them in. They did offer to brand our name on it too, didn't they?
They did.
Would you rather see our name on it or Worth's name on it? It's the same thing, but
Maybe both. I mean, maybe we can change some bits around.
I like that. You know, this is the big discussion because they'll custom make this any way we want. And the thing with these is, it's got, you know, and this is a good discussion for the page, for this channel. It's got Torx, 25, 20, 15, and then it has the Phillips heads, 1, 2, and 3. But here's the clincher. It's got 3 square drive bits, okay? Proper name is called a Robertson. Where do you use Robertson in? There's 2 places that use Robertsons. Well, your vacuum cleaner might have one. Your camper will definitely have one. And if you have any kind of utility trailer and you walk over to the fasteners, they're 8 points. There's no such thing as an 8-point fastener for that. It's a 4-point. Most guys don't know that, but I've been doing this for quite some time, so I know that for a fact.
I read yesterday that they're very popular in Canada, Robertsons.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting. For our Canadian friends or our 51st state, we have some Robertson sets coming for you. So should we change the bits or leave them the way it is? Leave in the comments below and let us know. Guys, it's a busy weekend around here. We have a lot of exciting stuff to do. And I think we're going to wrap this up. It's Friday. We're going to get this out to you sooner than later. And like we always say, come for the price and stay for the deals. Peace.